So guys, now is doing it for me because I cannot is that don't judge. I cannot do my hair so good. Tomorrow we are celebrating tomorrow okay? Because we are not celebrating it on Saturday because it's weekend obviously. And yeah, so let's just get my sister and let's just do my hair. I'm on a video with my friend. So, guys, wait for the end result. Okay, see you there. And it's up. I think my sister did a upset with it right now. Down below, my name.